If you've ever visited someone else's Shopify store and thought, what theme are they using? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to figure out which Shopify store theme is being used, and I'll show you two different ways of doing this. The first way is going to be by looking at the source code of the Shopify store, and then the second way is going to be using an online Shopify theme detector. So here we have our Shopify store, and to view the source code, all we have to do is right-click on the website. Now keep in mind that if you right-click on an image, it's not going to give you the same options. So we're going to click on another area of the web page and head on down to View Page Source. If you're not used to coding, this may look a little overwhelming, but that's completely fine because all we're going to do is hit Command F if you're on a Mac or Control F if you're on a PC. Then we'll type in the word theme. And this is just a faster way of sifting through the code and finding what we're looking for. So over here on the left, we can see that it says name is EK Shopify theme. Now, this may look like the Shopify theme that you're looking for, but if the store owner has renamed their theme, this area could say just about anything. So it's not actually going to give you your answer as to which theme is being used. So for example, because we own this store, I can show you that the name here says EK Shopify theme, just like we saw in the code. But if we rename it, the name will be updated in the code. So if I type in the word new, for example, and then hit save, and then if I head on back to the source code and refresh the page, we'll see here that it now says new Shopify theme. So now while this doesn't give you your answer, I wanted to point it out because it may be a bit deceiving. So if we look for the word theme again, but this time go down a bit further on the page, we're going to come across another section that says theme name equals, and this is the actual theme. So in this case, we're using the Sense Shopify theme. So there you go. That's the first way of finding out which Shopify theme is being used. And then the second way of detecting a Shopify theme is simply by using an online Shopify theme detector. While there are several different detectors that you can use online, this one on the Pagefly website is super simple and easy to use. And don't worry, I will leave the link to this page in the description of this video. So to use this Shopify theme detector, I'm simply going to go and grab the URL of the Shopify store. So we'll highlight it, hit Control or Command C, and then head on back to the website and paste it here. We'll then hit the check button. And as we found out in the source code, we are using the Sense Shopify theme. So both of these methods are going to work for most Shopify stores. However, they will not work if someone is using a custom Shopify theme. So let's take Gymshark, for example. Gymshark has been around for quite some time and is a very well-known Shopify success story. If we look at the source code, right off the bat, we can see that it does look quite different from the other store that we looked at. And if we search for the word theme, it's not going to tell us which theme was downloaded or purchased in order to make this store, because it is using a custom theme. So same thing if we use the online detector. We can copy the URL and then paste it into the field here. We hit check again. And as you can see here, it says that it is using a custom theme. And of course, this makes sense because Gymshark can clearly afford to create their own theme using their own resources. And there you have it. The next time you're wondering what Shopify store theme is this, you can use one of these two methods to find out. If you're looking for some of the best Shopify themes at decent price points that also come with pre-built demos, definitely check out the link in the description of this video. And be sure to subscribe to the eStoreKings YouTube channel for more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce videos.